Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Cook Like a Man, and thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and let's get everybody cooking like a man. So in today's video, we're making noodles, but noodles are usually just bland and boring. So I just thought today I should put a little twist to them. So we're going to be making prawn noodles. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to start off with some olive oil and a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is emulsified, we're going to add 1 onion and saute that for a couple of seconds before adding our prawns. Just make sure that the prawns are clean, deveined and deshelled. For the seasoning, I'm going to add salt and black pepper. Then saute that for a couple of seconds before deglazing the pan with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Once the pan is deglazed, you can optionally add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, then saute for a couple of seconds before adding the noodles. Yo, I hope you saw how easy it is to make prawn noodles. Simple, straightforward, just a great way to just spice up a really boring meal, you know. So I hope you guys will do it yourselves at home. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Like the video, share the video, and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.